It's Monday, the 16th. And do you think I went to the beach and put sun in my hair? Maybe. Not really. I got my hair cut and colored today, and he made me bright. And frankly, I think I'm okay with it. I think it's all right. It'll tone down here shortly. So anyway, the new me, new you, right? New week, new year, whatever. Okay. You know, Wonderland always sends us, Frabjous Fibers, sends us their D-Stitch Nation, right? And that is what this is, and it is gorgeous. This is January's color, and this is a Shawkalana, which starts out like a shawl and then finishes and is connected in the back like a cowl. So it's a one-skein wonder. I like it a lot. Shawkalana by Stephanie Shyman, right? And this is the colorway, which is quite beautiful. It's a speckle, but it's a turquoise background with light speckles. Very pretty. That would transition well into spring. And then the Jungle Book is the theme. And you got this very cool Jungle Book pin for your knitting bag in your collection. I also wanted to remind you, we had a great crowd today from up around, oh gosh, they're from everywhere. Burlington, Mebane, all up in that area. Nice group came down. They loved to come, and they had a big time, which was great. I always love to have them. So thank you, girls, for taking the trip. I appreciate it. Anyway, Latoya was asking about this, or was it Latoya? I think it was. So I thought, well, I'll just talk about this again. This is the cowl that Kathy Schlegel designed for us in the winter time out of wool, and then she decided to try it out of the Bella Chenille, get it right, Holly, Bella Chenille, and I believe it's a one-skein wonder. So cozy, so soft, fuzzy, not itchy, just perfect, right? So I have some colors left. It's on sale. It was originally $9.50. It's now $7.12. So I have all these colors, sort of a beautiful blue-green. Then this is sort of a sandy gray. Then we have peach. And we have orange. And we have this gorgeous red orange. I love that. That would be bright with a black coat. And a mint. There we go. Mint. So, ooh, so squishy and soft. Also makes great baby blankets, right? So you got a baby in your life? Perfect. All right, so I woke up Sunday morning with this crazy eye thing, and I was like, okay, that's cool. So my nice, dear, sweet friend, who is an ophthalmologist, I texted her and I said, what is this? Sent her pictures, and she kindly got back to me and she said, ooh, I really need to see you. And I was like, oh, okay. And it started itching, and it's like, I would like to dig it out of my eye. It's not pink eye. It's not a sty. So anyway, she thinks I've touched my eye with something that my eye was not happy about. So anyway, she did squeeze me in today, God bless her. And I'm getting a nice salve to put on there. And I think it'll be all right. No makeup though. Not looking fine, but okay. Enough to get by. Thank God I have glasses. All right, I think that's it for tonight. I'll see you tomorrow.